Passing the time is a good pastime. I'm depressed! No, sorry. Yeah. I am though, but it's fine. Sunlight doesn't go brrr anymore. You can literally entrust me with just saying, make sure this chair doesn't disappear from view, and I would somehow manage to throw it out the window. I don't know. Overwhelming thought of, I want to do something productive, but I can't because I'm not a productive person. Oh, I made a ghost friend. I made a friend with a ghost. I mean, they didn't say no, so that means we're BFFs. Because if I say it, it is always true. Unless I say that it's not true afterwards. Unless you say no, of course, because then you're just gonna cry in the shower for an hour and be done. Yeah, don't you love it when you just like zoom out, zone out, zoom out words? Anyone? English language, please function. Language barrier not found for error 4 of 1 fucking Nederlands spreken kan ook. Okay, fuck. I'm back, sorry. So, story time. I don't have a story, that's the story time. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Goodbye.